Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short car buying tips video shares the benefits of leasing a car. For most people, buying a car usually makes more financial sense than leasing. However, you should at least be aware of the advantages leasing offers versus buying a car. Number 1. Lower monthly payments. Leasing a car usually results in monthly payments that are 30% to 60% lower versus buying a car. This allows you to drive a car that you may not normally be able to afford. Number 2. No repair costs. If you only lease for 36 months or less, then you are typically covered by the manufacturer's bumper-to-bumper warranty during your entire lease. You will never have to worry about major repair costs. Number 3. No hassles with used cars. When your lease is over, you simply return the car to the leasing company. No more hassles trying to sell a used car. Number 4. Tax benefits. If you intend to use the car for your business, you can typically write off the entire lease payment as a tax deduction. And even if you don't own a business, most states only tax you on the usage portion of your lease. This can save a few $100s versus buying a car and paying taxes on the full amount. Number 5. Drive the latest cars. A lease allows you to drive a new car every 2 or 3 years, giving you the benefit of enjoying the latest technological advances and safety features. Number 6. Less money up front. Many cars can be leased with no money down. When you buy a car, you're usually required to put some percentage down in order to get a decent car loan rate. Number 7. Includes gap coverage. Most leases include gap insurance for free, which will protect you in case the car is totaled or stolen during the lease. I hope these car buying tips have helped you. Please leave your thoughts below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below. Your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.